Hi, I'm Tim Piccirillo, and I'm a top-rated freelancer on the freelance site Upwork.com. Now, if you're not familiar with this site, Upwork's a website that brings together freelancers in over 2,500 different categories with businesses, companies, and individuals that need specific tasks done. Upwork has a very simple process where a person posts a job and what specific service they're looking for, and then freelancers within that niche and with that service bid on it, either on an hourly or complete project basis. Now, I'm a copywriter and marketing consultant, and I've been on the site for just a little under 2 years. But the cool thing, I was branded top rated by Upwork in under a year. Now, that may not sound that impressive, but there's a lot of freelancers on there. But here's the thing, I found out how to get attention, how to separate myself from the pack, and write proposals that win the business. And the best part about Upwork, it's free to join. You simply pay them a commission on the contracts you win. Now, I put together a 4-video course, How to Use Upwork to Jumpstart Your Freelance Business, and I show you exactly what I did to achieve that top-rated ranking on that site. Now, am I the best copywriter or marketing consultant out there? Heck no. I'll be the first to admit. I'll admit that I'm good at what I do. But I found out the fastest way to be successful on there is to do some simple things. You have to be good at providing your service, but you do not have to be the best. And when you're just starting out as a freelancer, Upwork is a perfect place to find clients because Upwork does all the marketing for you. It brings the buyers directly to the freelancers. Now, in my course, How to Use Upwork to Jumpstart Your Freelance Business, I show you exactly what I did and how you can do the same thing to be successful at whatever skill or service you have. I'll show you everything from how to set up your profile, to get attention, to differentiate yourself, to the best way to write and send out a proposal that wins the business. Heck, I'll even show you how to get paid on there. Look, we're in the gig economy now. Here in the United States alone, 30% of the workforce are freelancers. And in the next decade, that number is going to rise to where the majority of our workers in America will eventually be freelancers. And this trend appears to be heading that way globally as well. And here's a few more numbers for you to chew on. There are over 2.3 million contracts that go through that site every year with over $1 billion being spent on those jobs. Yeah, there's a lot of work on Upwork. And you can get your share of it. So all you got to do is just click below to order the course and get started on your path to freelancing success. I wish you lots of luck and thanks for watching.